and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little scarecrow. So, if you have your mighty brush and your mighty paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed doing that cute little scarecrow. Well, what can you take home from this? Basically, use your imagination, as I said many times, but do the background. Change the background. Make it a farm or a field of corn or pumpkins. Use your creativity. I know you got it. All right, as always and always, I want to say a big thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.